Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I wanted to do a skincare routine. This is specifically my night one. Usually my night I spend more time with focusing on my skincare because in the morning I'm usually rushing off to school or rushing off to the hospital. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do. So usually I do work out about around like 7, and that's when Jared usually goes to, and I'll work out for about an hour and then I'll come back and I'm usually super sweaty, so I shower, and I just did, and I just wash my hair, and then I usually wash my face every night in the shower. What I really like to use, and I've been using for a while, is the Vanicream Gentle Face Cleanser, and I have really sensitive skin. I really like this because it's free of dyes, lanolin, fragrance, masking fragrance, parabens, formaldehyde, and other preservatives, and it's sulfate free and betadine free. And I know some people have really disliked this because it doesn't foam up, but I think that this is good because it doesn't foam up and it doesn't have all these fragrance and everything. So I really like this, and it says it's soap free, oil free, betadine free, gluten free, sulfate free. So I love this, and I usually use like 2 pumps of this. Sometimes when I don't take a shower, if I don't work out or in the morning, usually I'm really bad, but I don't wash my face. I usually take the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water, and then this is the one without oil. This is the sensitive skin one. I really like this because it doesn't make my face feel greasy at all. So I'll just take it on a cotton round and I'll go over everything. Alright, so after that, and sometimes if I have really heavy mascara, I'll do it twice around my eyes. If I do remember, I like to take my toner, which is the Thayer's Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula in Rose Petal, and this is really good. It smells really good. It makes me feel really clean. And actually, fun story, after I was getting my brow tint, they used this to clean up the area. So I'll just go over the same. And then I'll take this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is pretty pricey, but I like how it works and I like how it makes my skin look nice. Sometimes I don't know if serums work, but whenever I use this, I do notice that my skin stays really clear. It doesn't have like a lot of acne, and it looks kind of like bright. So I really like this one. I recommend that if you do go for Estee Lauder and get something pricey, that you do sign up for like their emails, get a coupon. You know, go out there and find those coupons for skincare because there are a lot of coupons, and that's typically what I do. I don't usually like to buy things full price. I like coupons, so if you can find a Sephora coupon, Ulta coupon, Estee Lauder coupon, that's your best bet. This is the Advanced Night Repair, and so I'll take it, and it's a dropper, so I'll do usually 3 drops. I'm just taking that and patting. What's nice about Estee Lauder is sometimes if you spend over, I think it's like $70, you get a lot of free samples. And then I'm just rubbing it and then kind of patting it into my pores. Okay, and then I'm going to take another serum. I saw Thomas, the Beauty Thomas. He did, I think it was like 2 moisturizers and 3 serums, so I have a couple favorite serums, and I was like, well, I want to do more than one because I thought like there were rules, but there's no rules. So I take 2 now. This is the Insys-free Intense Hydrating Serum with Green Tea Seed, and this one's fairly inexpensive. I think this was $25. I was introduced this by Ipsy. I really like it. It makes my skin feel super hydrated, and I love that it's in a pump, so I usually do like 1.5. And then I'll do the same thing. I'll take one finger and pat it and go down my neck. Going down your neck is super important because, as you can see, I have some wrinkles, and I'm really prone to wrinkles, but you want to prevent any future wrinkles or really hydrate your whole skin, not just your face, which I made that mistake when I first got into skincare. And all this skincare is fairly new. I've only done all of this routine for about a year or 2. And before, I only used to wash my face, and then I actually used to put Vanicream, the light lotion, on my face, which it didn't sit very well. My face would always be greasy and oily. I just got into using more stuff, and my face has like really improved. I've barely gotten acne, usually only on my period, so I love that. And then I use the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. I love this one specifically from Belief because this one is for oily skin and it's super hydrating, but it doesn't make my face oily at all. It looks like this. It's kind of like that aqua moisturizer, like it's not the super thick. So I usually take one finger, and I know some people are gonna say it's unsanitary, but it's my lotion. Whatever, I don't care that much. We all need some good germs in our life. So I'm just rubbing that in. Okay. And then I like to use the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. And these go together really well. I've heard someone say that if you use like the same brand's products, like they were meant to go together. So they have a lot of sample sizes of these. Sephora Points, you can get these, like a lot of, I got them in Sephora Play. That's where I first found it. So I really like this, and the sample did actually last me a long time. So I think there's like a Belief trial kit. So if you're curious, like go try it out. It's really good. I think it's super moisturizing. So I take like a tiny bit and I rub it under my eyes. And sometimes I'll pat it out, sometimes I'll just rub it in. And then sometimes, if I remember, I have been remembering a lot, I'll take the Nurse Jamie face roller. Tati introduced me to this, as Tati introduces me to lots of stuff. This is good at really letting all of your skincare products absorb into the skin. It's like massaging your skin, and it's supposed to tighten and firm. I'm not sure that I feel like a lot of the tightening action, but I do believe that it helps all of the products sink into the skin. So I'll just roll up. I'll roll under my eyes and roll outward so the fluid in your face drains. And I'll go under. Alrighty, and then my last step is my favorite Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And as I said before, I love this just for kind of like if you want like a little lip gloss. I carry this in my purse, the little sample size. But I'll take my finger, and it's kind of like hard, and then you warm it up. And then I'll just take it. And then I do put this on before bed, so I like to use it as a lip mask, like a thicker layer. But I also like to use a thinner layer just for like moisturization. Alrighty, and that's it. And then I usually head to bed at around 10 o'clock. I have been waking up around 5. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you like it, give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye!